Previously, notification settings were accessed through an icon within the builder, making them easy to overlook, especially for new users. Now they have a dedicated Notifications tab inside the builder, ensuring you can quickly find and manage notification preferences. Let's learn how to use them. Navigate to the Forms, Surveys, or Quizzes tab inside the Sites section. Select the Notifications tab from the top menu. Enable email notification to configure an email that notifies you when someone fills out your form. Or enable Autoresponder to send an automated email with a copy of the form they filled out. This intuitive placement allows you to manage submissions effectively, providing proper prioritization, giving a responsive experience to customers, and keeping your team in the loop. By making notifications easier to find and providing more helpful in-product guidance, we're helping users get up and running faster while delivering a smoother, less frustrating onboarding experience. We hope you enjoy it.